Hello everyone, so today we will proceed with our 3D texturing tutorial. First we need to adopt that information. Yeah, I know that I have showed multiple times, but I want that you will remember all this information, not only, go through and forget everything. Okay, so let's select the chimney. We have that chimney, blend node, expanded. And this is our texture. So let's assign from 3D textures maybe the rock we didn't use or used in, I don't remember, probably we not used in our tutorial rock previously. So let's assign to the snow area our rock texture on the chimney. I want to have like a cracks or like a different variation of colors on the chimney, just a bit. Yep. So we now know that we have a layered texture. Yes, great. However, we don't know one more thing. Maybe we want to duplicate that node, and in order to do that, we can select all these objects, go to edit and duplicate, and from there we can see three, let's say, versions of duplication. So shading network, without shading network. So basically we will have a separate place to the texture. Yeah, so let's do it one by one. Without with shading network, what we will get, and okay, let's do it. Edit, duplicate, shading network. As you can see, we have duplicated our shading network with the same nodes. Yeah, you can select the rock, you can edit, duplicate without shading network, only one node. Okay, let's select again, edit, duplicate with connection to the network. See, we have one node which connected to both same textures with a net. Yeah, and we, let's say, optimizing this one node. Great. Okay, so let's select our rock and just duplicate the shaded connection. We won't play with a 3D texture scale, so it doesn't matter. Select our layered texture, select rock 1, throw it, select row 2, select the texture, layered texture, and throw the second rock texture. Great, and I will throw this texture. I will move to the right, to the left side, and will make it transparent. Great. So let's go to the rock 1. Select the whoops. Let's store our color to history. Go to the rock 1 and select the same color. Let's go to the rock 2. Select the same color. Great. So what we can do next, we can go to the snow and throw this layered texture on top. Awesome. So what we will do, we will try to select again the same color for both of them, and probably we will play a bit with the colors in order to get some separation in here. As you can see, I will remove the diffusion. I don't want to see the blurry thing in here, and right away you can see how we changing our chimney's texture. So node 1, yeah, let's go to the node 2. Oh, wait a second, I will enable rock 2 texture. Yeah, And let's play with it. Select the rock view, scale it, we'll remove the diffusion, something like that. Maybe I will do some more grain on top. Second. Yes. Yeah. Maybe I will do darker. Okay, so in the layering mode, we will try to blend them both in order to gain something. Okay, so 0.5 middle ground. Okay, so I'll try again, play with the colors a bit. Yeah. Okay, the rock 1. Let's go to the rock 1. Play with the colors. Great. So we have something unique right now, yeah? Maybe we'll scale parts 2. Now it will look a little bit better. Okay, so this is for a chimney part. We now know how to use textures, the rock texture, and how to assign and not break the snow pattern on our house. We can do the fast rendering. Whoops. Some kind of issues with the V-Ray. I hope it will reload. And yeah, so let's check how it will look. And as you can see, it's pretty nice. Cool. So in the next tutorial, let's move to the house, to the planks, and try to add like a cartoony wrinkles or something like that, in order to look like a bit closer to the wood, as the Maya's default wood texture, I mean procedural texture, doesn't work. So we need to figure out how we can achieve that. Okay, see you.